Alright people, friends, neighbours, people. What I planned is literally I'm at the lighthouse at the moment. But I planned literally to go down to the lighthouse, around the lighthouse, come back. I wanted to dip down, go back up, come back down, land. I know exactly what you're saying. Big deal, right, okay. Wave goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, I'm waving you goodbye, goodbye. Da-da-da-da. There's the lighthouse, all the way around, and then back to us. So all you're supposed to do now is literally wave this out the window. Open the window, huh? Pretty windy out there, but I don't think it'll press play. Start now, and that should. I'm now going to do it all again.
89 feet altitude, 129 feet distance.
I've used the
78% battery.
I'll be using the up and down a bit. So if I press play
131
now,
feet altitude.
if I press play now,
132
shut
feet
up a fucking
distance.
minute, will you?
76% battery.
If I press play now, it should start all over again.